Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. So this is Unité 3, leçon K. And in this lesson, so we'll continue with the numbers a little bit because we've been making a break. We stopped in Unité 2, okay? And now we'll continue from 50, de 50 à 75 till 75, de 50 à 75. So let's see how they go. 50, 50, 51, 51, 52, 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 59, 60, 60, 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69. And that's normally when my students, when I'm in class with them, start to look at me like they would like to kill me, because now we're getting to the tricky point in French, okay? So have a look here. Now we've got this 70, of course. But then in French, it's a bit more tricky because you take back the 60, and then you will add the 10. Okay, so for this 70 session here, you will have to use this 60 and then 10. And so all the numbers from 10 to 19, you will have to put them right here after. Okay, so let's see how it goes. 70, 70, 71, 71. Okay, so you can see here now. 60, 60, and then 11, 11. 71. 72, 72. Same thing here. 60 and then 12. Okay. 73, 73. 74, 74. 75, 75. Okay, so we won't go further, not to be more traumatized, because I've got some nice surprises after that as well. Okay, so remember that well, till 70, well, it's quite not easy, because it's always difficult to remember the numbers, but still it's not that tricky. Okay, so remember that for 70 here, so from 70 to 79, you will have to use this 60, so 60, and then the numbers from 10 to 19, okay? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, etc. So we'll see the rest in a coming lesson. So that's the reason why it's really important to master and to know by heart all the numbers, well, at least from 1 to 10, and then after that from 10 to 20, because these from 10 to 19, we will use them for these 70, and then, as I said, it will come a bit later. We'll have to use them as well for the 90. Okay, so that's it for now. Have a nice day. Check for the next lesson. It's on YouTube. The channel is Imagier, and that the website is here as well. Have a great day. Bye bye.